case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
This litigation tale begins with Robert Rapaport, the majority stakeholder of a savings and loan association, thrust into a costly disagreement with the Office of Thrift Supervision, OTS. Cinching the belt tighter, the OTS had commanded Rapaport to cough up a steep $1.5 million, ostensibly to preserve the financial stability of his institution. The grounds for such a request were sewn into a net worth maintenance agreement, a contract Rapaport had willingly signed with the Federal Savings and Loan Insurance Corporation, FSLIC. However, the road to payback was scattered with legal thorns. The OTS sought to enforce the agreement via an administrative proceeding, complicating the fiscal struggle. This sparked a challenge, igniting Rapaport's legal journey. He disagreed with the OTS's methods and approached a higher court of justice for a verdict. The legal crossroads reached its climax in the U.S. Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit, in a case known as Rapaport v. United States Department of the Treasury. The heart of the dispute laid bare. Could a banking regulatory agency impose personal liability in an administrative proceeding using Section 1818? The answer was found knotted in specified conditions. It was feasible, but only under the circumstances where individuals had unjustly enriched themselves or demonstrated reckless disregard for federal regulation. At this juncture, the scales tipped in favor of Rapaport. The court held an irrevocable stance. The OTS had overstepped by failing to provide evidence that Rapaport was unjustly enriched by the agreement. As a result, the court ruled to dissolve the agency's order, thereby granting Rapaport's appeal. In this financial confrontation, it became clear that enforcing personal liability required both pieces of the puzzle: proof of unjust enrichment or evidence of recklessly disregarding federal regulations. Anything less was deemed unfit for enforcement. The court's decision offered a resounding reminder: mere agreement breaches do not necessarily warrant personal damages.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.